Hello everybody, today I have an IBM electrical typewriter. Right here you have your keypad, all your keys, sounds really good too. And right here you have your ink cartridge and your correcting filament all in like one big package. Right here is a battery slot, so this thing can run off of batteries, as you can see. I haven't tried it out yet, but really cool feature. Right here it is loading up the paper for me, and now I can type whatever I want, and you can move things around with the arrow keys on the bottom right, and you can type whatever you want after the paper is loaded. Thank you everybody for watching. See you in the next one.